Hello guys, now oh Friday afternoon favorite is and Saturday part time guys is in this yeah. So you still got my lunch period in the microwave now yeah. And yes, so my battery died they hit my camera there just then so yeah. So I just took my oh not the microwave now I'm having little situation here and somebody sees tell you the start question actually come out the question man believe you can tell yes not the snowy oh detail question but yeah so man but what's the snowy there the the this morning though so so about this place but I was looking to doing a number of television on my screen around the city and well the two cities and even into oh what is it where did we go again went over to Toby Post Cover yeah and also we're regular Friday stops in Paradise which is good so yeah. So we're not at home now. I'll just get myself ready to have lunch. Yeah, and I think I'll be home for the rest of the day now. So to be myself of a vlog there. Otherwise but yes, but she's actually story out there. But yes, but me and my cousin also had plans on going out to a supper this evening, going to a comedy show at the Holy Heart. But like the second postponed till Sunday. So so wait on. So she's not know if me him I'm going to make it though on Sunday or or the sports was or I'll have to invite some nice girl but like my mom or inviting another friend to go on but man because we have because both me and because both got oh doing stuff in our lives like school and work and poetry and all that but man so actually the day before the beginning of a new work week but yes and yeah and I also got an appointment on Monday morning over to the health sciences again but so man so I don't had to get globally for down my skin but yes but but if I do end up going to a comedy show on a Sunday then I'll be it'll be up there then and I'll only get a few hours or so sleep and I'll pretty much give myself ready for the appointment and yeah. Yes, so then I'm appreciate that I'll be off work every so if I'm feeling in more tired from having a few hours or more sleep on Sunday if I go to the comedy show then did I just have a nap or two in my room for the afternoon and yeah, so and I'll hopefully have a better sleep the right there. But yeah, so man, so yeah, so man, but anyway, so so that's pretty all. So there's nothing but just to talk about nice while people stop talking about a lot of people have like now a lot of people talk to you guys Leon Theo the tape. So yeah. We guys saw the bedtime review was yeah, of course it's only now quarter after 11 now, yeah. So yeah. So yeah. But the thought I am going to bed. I'm not going to another vlog. Just yet, because I'm going to continue to the vlog to Troy possibly to Sunday. So yeah, because I was previously doing none the rest of the day. Just pretty much relaxing. But yeah, so yeah, but now in 12 I'll probably end up doing some shopping and then me mom will probably head out we can stop it to on the in city over to Consistent South to go over to visit my name, but but I'll let you guys know what happens for them because right now I'm just pretty much getting myself ready for bed. But yes, so honestly, I just hope everyone enjoys me and not less, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys in the morning or so. So yeah. What you guys so this the following morning now, yeah, and you can tell we do got the the snow on the ground now. They really tried to pass the week from the snowfall we had last day, but yeah, as you can tell also the sun is starting to pick out two clouds as well. So yeah, so yeah. So there. So yeah. So just now finish my breakfast and my coffee now, and yeah. Yeah, but of course, as you can show here in the background, I got some Irish new play music on the go now. So I'm hoping the talking now I doing will block out the music. Just I get some copyright but which I'm hoping not. So man, so yeah. So man, so so there's no news to report otherwise. So mom should about to coming down. So hey guys, so the gym time was in here. As you can tell, I'm back walking for the first time since Thursday. Yeah, of course. I have here in the toys. This should be now people on very much now doing the loop and then doing the loop around which is then a silver drive. Yeah, so you can tell it's still pretty clear though, and yeah, but we did lose the sun toward the afternoon though, but oh well. So yeah, so far it's been a good actually day of not late, but yeah, but I got home toward most of the afternoon. Pretty much we actually yep. So yeah, but it was good to do something, but last I just changed my mind and I'm out it all. Oh, what was it? Earlier today though. So man, yep. So yeah. So look, I was actually trying the part of the yeah. Then we about 3:30, me and mom pretty much went over to we a couple stops in Paris. Then we went over to downtown City for one. Then we pretty much we stopped over to came out here and so we just picked up some dirty bush some, and that was really good. Yeah, just really good, and now just enjoying the decent or better with the weather today such was so we yesterday and last night, so yeah, so that's all good. So man, so yeah, but yeah, but yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys the picture table off of so that because it is how you can dark when I feel this, but yeah, yep, because yeah, it just sit there. Oh, well, it was a little while ago. Yeah, and yeah, and I think she'll probably last probably around another half hour or so, give or take. So, but hopefully, it won't be too dark by the time I get over to when it gets over to what is it so the pictures, yeah. Look, I just passed some guy made by some though, but oh well, yep. Totally if he has an issue with the video, hopefully not, but I've had problems logging when I was downtown there almost a month ago, when I was walking past what was it, the Pacifico garden place in town, and past the Mrs. who had a problem with filming her, but still kept recording, and you started a month ago, so I suppose I was sort of still though, but oh well, but it was some news reading. Oh my. Some people though, yeah, there's quite a few bad numbers around though, but not too worried about that. Oh well, but yes, but anyway, so I'm going to enjoy the walk now, yeah, and then when it gets back home for the walk, I'll be heading out to what is it, consist myself of not probably it would go fishing in, yeah, and then we previously come back home for there while we just watching the hair flick as the what is it, Advice Center. So we hope that the Advice Center so the have to win and the Advice Center to lose. Oh my. But yeah, so man, so yeah, 3 playing in Ottawa, of course. So man, so yeah, so that was first regular NHL hockey game in about 2-3 weeks. So looking forward to it. So man, so anyways, so yeah, so hopefully talk to you guys back over to the pictures off. So that should be done in about another 20 minutes or so. Alright guys, so just be over to the pictures off of so yeah, of course, yeah, and at least the lonely is better yet, since it's not too dark. As you can tell with the delayed we got still a lot to go, but yeah, but then we got a view of cause just been North Island and Paradise, but yeah, but nice view over here indeed. last episode we did was a couple days ago now, so but yeah. So this is East Coast my fall stuff before heading back home. Yeah. So I showed it in George Walk nonetheless. Yes. So next earlier I'll be heading over to CNN on CBS in a little bit. So yeah. So I'm here to talk to you guys when I'm back home. So I will make this into a 2 days in a vlog. Yeah, I'll do toy vlog on my iPhone and then I'll start off the new week on my digital camera on Monday. So yeah, and then the back attack just as I don't forget my SD card on my charger and over there next Sunday. So yeah, so man, but at least I'll be it'll charge the camera for those. So yeah, I'll charge battery for carriers. So man, okay guys, so it's that time being examine now 20th to 1 now. Yeah, of course that's in the morning this, but yes, and yes, it's time for you to head up to a bit. So yeah, so yes, so overall it's been a good day. Nonetheless, but yes, but last towards the week I'll be head over to a dad's to afternoon. But yes, so man, and of course 12 evening I'll be head out with my cousin to see a comedy show, which is very awesome. But yeah, but but guys, briefly to the comedy show last year though. But last I got was at the filming was the 30-second clip of the show. So but if even though don't have my iPhone, so oh well, but. Yeah. At least I learned my lesson though. But yeah. So man, but yeah, but you have to trust me. It will be funny even even for anyone who has watched the outlast videos on YouTube as well. But yes. So man, but yeah. So yes, so that's all. So man, but anyway, so yeah, so better start the bed and yeah, just hope everyone enjoys the rest of the week though. And up here was talk to you guys all 12 and yeah, of course yeah, and of course and after I got home from my nan's from Sylvester's I basically watched the Habs game the first Habs game in what was it 2 or 3 weeks and yeah, and of course believe it or not the Habs actually won this game, which is pretty good. Yes, they won 5-2 2 against Ottawa. So well yeah, so what a game, so probably to end the Saturday anyway. So way on. So yeah, but anyway, so yes, that's all. So up here was talk to you guys. I won't edit the vlog and try to pitch over to as well as just the vlog using many special on my game experience. It is on my desktop all over here. So yes, so way on. So over and out.